In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify fonts used in any design with Canva. The process is quick and easy, and it will empower you to create beautiful designs with the perfect font every time. Whether you're working on a project for work, school, or your own personal ventures, knowing how to find the right font can be invaluable. So let's dive in and start learning. First, you'll want to open the Canva project where you'd like to identify the font. If you don't already have a Canva account, it's straightforward to set one up by visiting their website and following the registration steps. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, find the specific design you want to work with. Click on it to open it up in the Canva editor. Now, look for the text box that you're interested in within your design. This is where the magic of Canva's intuitive design tools comes into play. Simply click on the text box that contains the font you want to identify. Once you click, you'll notice that the options at the top of the Canva interface change. This is Canva's editing toolbar, and it adapts based on what element you've selected. As soon as you click on the text, take a look at the toolbar right at the top left of your screen. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu displaying the name of the font currently in use for that particular text box. This is Canva's way of showing you exactly what font has been applied. It's a simple yet effective way to pinpoint the precise typeface you're intrigued by. Being able to see the font name at a glance like this is incredibly useful. It allows you to ensure consistency across your design by making it easy to apply the same font to other text elements as needed. Plus, if you find yourself particularly fond of a font you're using, you can note it down for future projects and maintain a cohesive brand aesthetic. Identifying fonts can sometimes seem daunting, especially when you're trying to match a specific look or feel in your creations. However, thanks to Canva's user-friendly tools, this process has been simplified into just a couple of straightforward steps, making it accessible for designers of all skill levels. As we wrap up this tutorial, just remember, whenever you're working in Canva and need to identify a font, all you need to do is select the text, and the information is right there at your fingertips. Now, you're all set to make informed decisions in your design process by easily identifying and using the fonts that best suit your needs. Thank you for following along, and happy designing with Canva.